First of all, I have to say my heartfelt gratitude to Tamil Nadu Para Sports Association for hosting. It is very important for states to come forward to host the events of this magnanimity because para athletics is the biggest arm of para sports and the most popular one. We are very fortunate that thanks to all the wonderful arrangements of the local organizing committee, a huge shout out and kudos to the arrangements which has been made here. Accessibility has been taken care of. Accommodation for all the para athletes has been provided. The transportation is accessible. I thank Mr. Chandrasekhar and Kiru Raja for taking personal interest in all the preparations. The government has aligned in their support, which is again of great importance to see the Sports Authority of Tamil Nadu and to see the Deputy Chief Minister personally being here to encourage and give blessings at the opening ceremony. All this brings the entire ecosystem together, sending out a huge message of inclusion of para sports. 30 states, this is the largest ever participation that we have seen, and I'm very happy that we had the presence of the World Para Athletics Senior Mr. Tariq Soe, who's also the CEO of the Asian Paralympic Committee, present here from the international board to come and witness this beautiful event which is happening here. It was a matter of great joy and proud feeling when myself and Mariyappan Thangavelu, we together won the medal at Rio Paralympics, which was a watershed moment. Mariyappan created a huge wave of inspiration. He became that persona where every child could dream their dream in Tamil Nadu, that a person from such humble background could become a national and an international star, getting president awards. It takes one little spark to create a big light of fire. So that is what role models can do. And now we have seen in the recent awards from the president, 3 para athletes have got Arjuna Award from Tamil Nadu. So we've seen one of the largest contingent coming from Tamil Nadu now, and more athletes are winning international medals. We need role models to inspire other children to become hope of other children, and that's exactly what Tamil Nadu is nurturing, starting from Mariyappan's medal, and now there's no looking back. This is also a very amazing moment for me to be here among the fraternity of para sports, because people across all the states of the country, and we have everybody who's part of the Paralympic fraternity present here. And I am who I am because of para sports, and I was elated to launch this story of my life, which is nothing but the achievements and the new identity that I could create despite being chest below paralyzed. So this book was also released here, and I could share the joy of my book with all my friends in the Paralympic fraternity. Hope they can also take inspiration like they take from Mariyappan in Tamil Nadu. Maybe the whole country, and especially the women, can take some message from the book and give back to the world of para sports of our country.